My dear friends, welcome you all to the first class of a lecture series, Writing an Effective Resume. In this class 1, we will see the introduction of what is a resume. A resume is a formal document that lists a job applicant's education and skills. A well-defined resume provides a detailed summary of applicants' qualifications for that particular job. It is usually meant to provide a brief picture of the applicant. So, a good resume gives the potential employer enough information to believe the applicant is worth interviewing. So, it will buy you an interview. Writing your first draft of your resume is always hard work. But why do I need to have a good resume? Yes, it creates very good first impression. A well-defined resume captures the attention and get you to the next stage in every recruitment process. It presents in writing the skills, accomplishments and qualifications that you bring to the potential employer. Next, it tells the employer why you are suitable for that job. So it is first essential tool in the job search process. So this resume is the first introduction a hiring manager will have of you. You want them to feel drawn in and motivated to invite you in for an interview. So this will bring you a call. Then it speaks to your employer in your absence. This resume is an inventory of skills, accomplishments, experience, and education till date, and it should be customized and targeted for each individual position so that it speaks to the employer why they have to consider your candidature. Then it gets you an interview call. This is your ultimate goal with a resume. It tells the hiring manager that you have necessary skills. What now needs to be determined is will this person be a good fit for the particular role or not? And most importantly, it initiates a discussion in an interview room. Assuming both interviewer and interviewee are strangers to each other, the content on the resume will become very important to start, to kickstart that discussion. So carrying a very effective resume is very, very important. Thanks for watching this video. In our next video, we will see what a resume looks like. If you like the content, please like this video, share this video to your friends, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.